Dumela, 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 Dumela Ntlobatong. Hi guys, my name is Betty and welcome to Garden with Betty K. We come back. I come back with food content from the backyard. Guys, I come back. Um, I'm. I want to do garden tour for you guys. Okay, I'm doing it. I am doing it. A garden tour. I was waiting for the seedlings to start like growing a little bit. You know, sometimes doing garden tour with like things that are still in the soil, it's not a make sure. It's like I'm forcing Mother Nature to do something that is not even like available yet. Like it's like going to shopping and you find her whatever you want to buy is not there. So I was like, I'm not gonna do that. So let's do winter garden tour. Yeah, so enjoy the video. Guys, we have spinach for days. Like this thing is for winter. I was just watering here and I took it out. And oh, today I'm using this thing. So we have baby spinach down here. You see, it's growing. Look at that. So wherever I see space, I use it. Our trees, there's nothing to see. Our trees are like no leaves and stuff. So I did add some more seeds in this container, in this one as well. As you can see, this is spinach. All of this, it's spinach. And here as well, it's spinach. We are going to eat. And this one, it's beans. I think this is beans, but I'm not sure because I think it's from last season. Oh, our trees are like not alive. They are a little bit alive, but no leaves, no nothing. This is no leaves, but everything is like, as you can see, we are inside winter. Ngaphakathi inside. And then here we have this is onions. I threw some seeds here when I was planting the spinach, so we still have baby onions coming along nicely. I like that. Maybe when they grow from there, I'm gonna separate them to make them like full in here. And then our peach tree, it's not peaching. It is not peaching. Gooseberries we eat every day with the birds. We eat every day from this tree. Like when I come here, I eat. When I come here, ooh, wind. It's not focusing. It's not oh, there you go. You see, every time I come here, I eat. Gooseberries. That's what. And then down here we have beetroot. And it's growing so nicely, and our herbs are growing nice. Like herbs, this is their season. Like if you want to see herbs come in winter, this is rosemary, and then this is dill. See how big it's getting. And then we have onions there, and then we have seedlings of some more beetroot right here, because I want to add more into the space. Wherever I see space now, I plant. I get laliyal. Right here we have carrots. We have carrots. I saw this other one peeping. this other day when I was here. It's like, yes, we are eating very soon. Oh, there it is. Oh, you see, look here. Oh, so there's food under here. Under here, we have food. Like, we have food in here. A lot of food. And then here we have strawberries. I want to come back. We have strawberries and we have a lot of flowers. This season we have strawberries are coming back to life, and it's winter, so now I'm confused. Or is strawberry winter fruit, or is it a summer fruit? Because what I see these days in this garden, it's amazing. Then we have this juicy strawberries. I think I need to pick them because these birds, they are harassing me. If I don't take them, I promise you tomorrow I'm not gonna find them. See, so we have 4 strawberries today. Look at that. Very cute. And then here we have blueberry plant, tree, flower. I don't know, but I think it's still settling in this thingy, in the soil, because I just planted it last season, I think, in summer. Yeah. And then we have this long tree. This is pear, and the sun is not nice. And then our mango tree is growing, guys. Look at that. Our mango tree is growing strong. Remember the other day I was like trimming it and stuff. It's growing, Lona. It's growing. Today I was fertilizing it with the worm. Maybe this worm what? Worm cast. Is it a worm casting? I think so. So yeah, this is my worm dengese in here. And then this tree is coming back to life as well. It's like showing us life again. And I trimmed it. Leone, it's part of the trimming situationship that happened here. And then Gafa, we have olives. I know we have a lot of new friends in the channel. Hi everybody. Welcome to the backyard of a lot of food and a lot of fixing. I need to fix this tree. Can somebody in the comment section please remind me to add more soil in this tree, and I must get a stick and balance it because it's falling over. And the grapes are like not here. They're like, the grapes are like, look at me. The grapes are like, see you summer. See you in summer. I am not here. I'm not available. I'll see you later. Yes. And then here we have some new seedlings of spinach as well. And then this side we have cabbage. We have cabbage, and then we have seedlings, cabbage seedlings in there. And then that little bunch there, that's onions. And then if you remember, I transplanted this apple tree. It was inside that. It was inside here. But I found a space. If you remember, there was like a little jungle here. The jungle is gone. We are looking very clean, and you see, this is the whole picture that from go backyard. The food is coming. I think I have lettuce as well, because I remember last Sunday we have lettuce. You see, we have lettuce growing here. as well. I told you, wherever I see a space, I use it. And here we have all our herbs. This is all the herbs. Okay, most of them. We have dill, we have rosemary, we have mint, we have basil, we have oregano, we have another basil. This one is purple in color. So we have food, like we have, like we are ready for Sunday course. We're ready for Sunday course. We just come here, pick up some spices, and we are ready to go. See, so now when I see a space, I use it. I don't want to see open space. Ha ke bona fela space ke tlhakana tlhogo ka e tlhakana tlhogo mo tlhogo. This side we have lemon tree. It's growing like nobody's business, and then this corner here, down here, we have baby tomatoes. This is cherry tomatoes and they smell so nice. And then we have kumquat right here. Kumquat tree. It's empty. I ate everything from this tree. Everything. And we have our lengana, umhlonyana, African wormwood. I get that now and it's so nice. And then here we have our new hibiscus plant flower, and it is showing us who is she. She's here to work, not to decorate the garden. Okay, decoration is part of it, but it is here to work. See? And then here, we have mango, tomatoes, struggling tomatoes. We have orange tree. Is this orange? I think this is dwarf orange. Yeah, we call it mini orange, and I just fertilize it with ash from the house. And then this is orange, and it's booming, guys. Can't go etsagalang na ke tsetse le go ka mpotsa go pila go etsagalang mo gardening yaka le nna ha ke itse, because I see a lot of flowers in this tree. We're supposed to be eating from this tree. No, it's late. Look at it. And then this one is ginger. We have ginger. And then we have fig. I must stop pointing because it's losing focus. We have fig. And then we have hope for this year we are going to eat you with. There's sugar cane. Now I like testing things with. I think this is lime, but it's not liming, so. And then we have onions here. We have onions, and then we have parsley. You see, even here we have parsley, and we have more carrots in this lovely container. We have some carrots in here. And then we have citrus. The other day I did do a tasting with you. They were so bitter. It tasted like lemon with salt. They tasted like lemon and salt. Maybe next season they're gonna come back nicer than this year. We hope. And then here we have lime. It's not liming. We hope for the best for next season. Yes, my ash was inside there. And then here we have orange as well. We are hoping for the best for next season. It's promising. It is promising. I just need to keep an eye on it. I don't want manga business. This season I got I think last summer I was kind of, I don't know, because this channel sometimes it just give me stress because it doesn't want to grow. When it grows, YouTube takes my hours, and sometimes I get demotivated to keep up with the Johnsons. And then this is lemongrass, and then this is kumquat as well. I'm hoping this coming season, next winter, we're going to have something from this tree, because Leoninja is just, they're going through something. I don't know what it is. So I just did the, what you call, ash there as well. So that's my drive through. It looks very, very nice. See, it looks very foodie. It looks very, very foodie. I don't want this video to be too long. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The sun is so nice. It's so nice, but I've been sneezing because sinuses. Wait, ke winter, ke summer, ke autumn, ke spring, ga tshwana rona ba di sinus re mo mathateng. Anywho, ke re go tswa go nna monyana wa Motswana wa go tswa kwa Rusty Dusty Mahlangeng, ke re tuere. Bye guys.